Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome back to my channel. So this video is actually going to be a vlog, and this vlog should have actually gone live on first week of Jan, but those of you who follow me on Instagram know that I was not feeling well during the first week, and second week of the year was also sort of thoda naram garam. So all my editing really got pushed back. I finally finished editing this one and I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoy this and I hope you show it all the love, because I had a lot of fun shooting for this vlog. There are two more vlogs or for one vlog. I'll mostly just combine it, which is going to be my 31st and 1st ka vlog, which will be coming next. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get to the vlog. So today is 24th of December and today is a day of prep. So basically today I have to prep my chicken. So so the thing is, I'm actually not Catholic, but I did go to convent school. So meko Christmas is very very close to me, and also in general meko winters बहुत पसंद है, and from 25th to 31st is I feel the best time of the year because ठंडी होती है and there's lighting everywhere and I just overall like the feel. So we celebrate Christmas. हम लोग चर्च वगैरह नहीं जाते हैं. All we do is क्रिसमस ट्री डेकोरेट करते हैं, थोड़ा घर में लाइटिंग्स लगाते हैं, and we make a Christmas dinner. So for my Christmas dinner this year I'm going to make a lot of things because my sister is also there with me. So for that I need to prep today, और काफ़ी सारा prep है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें लाना बाकी है. So for Christmas dinner, one thing which is always there is roast chicken. So basically we get the whole chicken from the market with the skin, और उसको one night before मेरे को marinate करके रखना पड़ता है. Also I always make rum cake, जिसके लिए मैं जो भी जो फ्रूट्स लगते हैं उसको बिफोर हैंड रम में मैरिनेट करके रखती हूँ. सो वो संडे से मैरिनेट हो रहे हैं एंड आई एम होपिंग कि आज मेरे को टाइम मिल जाए टू एक्चुअली मेक द केक. सो मेरे को जाके थोड़े से वेजिटेबल्स लेके आने हैं. सो दिस ईयर आई एम गोइंग टू मेक रोस्ट चिकन बिकॉज वी मेक इट एवरी ईयर. मैश पोटैटोज बिकॉज आई रियली रियली लव इट. सम सॉर्टेड वेजिटेबल्स बिकॉज सिर्फ चिकन नहीं खा सकते, यू नीड सम ग्रीन्स विद इट, and then some sauce because you need something to dip your chicken in, and bread pudding because Deepak really likes bread pudding, and rum cake because Christmas without rum cake is just not happening. So a lot of things, a lot of prep. So that's the plan for the today. So I'm not a vlogger, so I don't know how well I will be able to do it, but I'm planning to record some snippets here and there so that I can make a vlog out of it. So come along, let's get started. So my kitchen right now is a complete and total disaster, but don't worry, tomorrow it will look better. And right now I am marinating my chicken for tomorrow. So since we got married, me and Deepak, we have this Christmas tradition where we have this chicken roast and bread pudding and something. It's just something we both like to do. Can you guys see my Christmas tree? Give me a second. सो दैट्स माई क्रिसमस ट्री. फाइनली आज हमने डेकोरेट किया. सो अभी वो बहुत सारे गार्लैंड्स है जो मेरे को कहीं कहीं पे लटकाने हैं वगैरह. टुमारो एवरीथिंग विल लुक मच बेटर होपफुली. लेट्स ट्राई फॉर द बेस्ट. सो या, so this is how finally my marinated chicken is looking like. And I don't use a twine, I use toothpicks to tie the leg together. And now I'm going to refrigerate it, और कल ये जाएगा oven में. Hopefully अच्छा होगा. And I cleaned up my kitchen a bit because that was a utter and thorough mess. Hey guys, so hi, good morning. So this is the D-Day. Today is the Christmas. Okay, so actually I woke up pretty early, but I haven't really gotten anything of my dinner ready yet. Most of the prep is done. So right now it is around 12:30. All I did was record this makeup look and click some photos with my beautiful Christmas tree. थोड़ा सा घर ठीक ठाक कर लिया. And now we are going to start with baking. So मेरे को केक बेक करना है अभी, and then I need to order some flowers for my friends because it's Christmas and I thought flowers make this really good gift. Let's see, I'll let you know कि finally कितना काम किया. I really prefer to make my to-do list. So आज 25th का ही to-do list है. So this is all today I have to do. I'm not very sure कितना होगा. Few things I have already done. Few things are in process of doing. So let's see, hoping for the best. I have no idea why I'm looking so orange, but nonetheless. Yeah. So that's my mashed potatoes, which my sister is scraping right now. And this is the beautiful chicken. So a last ingredient is still supposed to come. इसके लिए यहाँ पे जगह है. But this is my plum cake. It looks pretty nice. This is the mashed potato, some veggies, my beautiful chicken, gravy, flowers that I got for myself, and the whole decor my sister did. And that is how we have decorated our Christmas tree. I forgot to show that we also have some really good red wine. And finally the last dish is here, which is the bread pudding. And that was a meal, and we really thoroughly enjoyed it. After this meal, we obviously clicked some photos with the Christmas tree, and overall just had a lot of blast. It was a really fun day, and I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas too. So that's it from me. Bye bye.